How to contact host on Turo before booking. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can contact hosts on Turo before booking. Actually, I'll show you if it's possible to contact hosts on Turo before booking. Now, the first step is for you to log in into your Turo application or the website, depending on your choice. And then once you're on the home page, the next step will be for you to click on the search box and then search out your location. All right. Okay. And then search out the time and the day that you will be using the car that you want to rent. So once you've entered your location and where you are going to and the likes, cars that fit into those times will be displayed to you. The next step will be for you to select a car listing based on the one you want. Then after selecting the car listing, you'll be taken to the car detail page where you see the name, you'll see photos about of the car showing you further information for you to see if you would like to go for it or not. Now, on the same page, you can see the number of trips that the vehicle has gone on. You can see the total amount of the gas, that is the fuel of the car. You can see the number of doors and the like. So, the next step would be for you to check as much as you can. Check out the description, the features, the extras, and all of that. But on this page, you would see that you cannot message the or send a message to the host. The option is not here, right? That is because on Turo, you cannot send a message to the host before booking a car or a vehicle or in any kind of vehicle on Turo. You cannot. The only option for you to do is for you to book, then send a message to the host. And then the other option will be what I did earlier, which is to check out information about the full information about the vehicle that you like to rent, the pickup information, everything you need to know would also be displayed on the details page. So ensure you go through everything, go through the photos so you can get as many information so that you would know that you no longer need the host to answer any other question. All right. And also the last thing that you can now do is to cancel the trip. So perhaps after going through the description and the features and the extras, you still do not get full information about the trip. Just go ahead to cancel. Right, you can just cancel, and then by canceling, check out other trips, check out other vehicles that actually suit your needs. Check out the description, check out the features, check out full information on the page before you go ahead to book. And after booking, chat up or send a message to the host. Then after sending a message to the host, if the host does not provide full information, still you can now go ahead to cancel the trip. Okay, so that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.